Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today we will be solving a problem which is sum root to leaf numbers, leetcode 1 to 9 problem. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have given a root of a binary tree containing digits from 0 to 9 only. So each root to leaf path is a tree. In the tree represents a number. For example, the root to leaf path is 1 to 3, 1, 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. Represents the number 1 to 3, 123. Returns the total sum of the root to leaf numbers. Test case are generated so that the answer will be fit in 32-bit numbers. Okay, so the overflow will be not there. So a leaf node is a node with no children. It means that it is a definition of leaf node. If a node is called a leaf node, if there is a no left node and the right node, you can see here 2 is a leaf node because there is no left node and the right node. So let's see this example. So you can see here, if we go from root node to leaf node, then we'll take a path 1 to 2, 1 to 2. So the number will generate like 1, 1 to, it will be 12. And the second part will be 1 to 3. So the number will be 13. So the sum of these numbers will be 25. So 25 I will return. So let's see this example. So you can see here, if we go from root node to leaf node, so there are three leaf nodes, 5, 1 and 0. So if we go from root node to leaf node, this we are taking this path. So the number will be generated like 495 because 4 to 9, then 9 to 5. First number will be 495. Second number will be 491 because this part I will take. So 491 and the third number will be 40. So if I take the sum of these three numbers, then the sum will be 1026 that we have to return. So let's see the approach for this problem. So if we have we have this example 49051. So what we can do is we can take a path sum. Initially the path sum will be 0. You can see here there are three leaf nodes, so that's why we have to traverse three times. It means we have to go from root node to leaf node 1, then leaf node 2, then root node to leaf node 3. Initially path sum will be 0. Then what I will do is path sum equals to path sum multiplied 10 plus root key value, that particular value of the root node. So let's see this root for root to leaf node, this first path. So firstly what I will do is path sum equals to, initially path sum is 0, so 0 multiplied 10 plus root value is initially 4, so path sum will be 4. Now again I am here. Now again apply this formula. Now path sum is 4, so 4 multiplied 10 plus 9, you can see here this root node, then it will be 49, then again 49 multiplied 10 plus 5, then it will be 495. Now you can see here it is a leaf node, so that's why I can't go beyond this. So that this node, this data I have to take, like I have to take in the sum. Now second traversal will be from this path 491. Now initially the path sum is 0, so 0 multiplied 10 plus 4, because the root value is 4, so it will be 4, then 4 multiplied 10 plus 9, it will be 49, then again 491, then third will be also same. Then finally what I will do is I will simply sum up all the numbers, 495 plus 491 plus 40, that will be my answer. So let's do the code for this. So coding part is very simple for this particular question. What I can do is I can simply return, I'll make a function which name is solve, and I'll pass root comma, initially sum is zeros, so sum. Now what I can do is I can apply a, I can create a solve function, and in solve function I will pass t node, sorry, t node star root node and path sum. I am taking like path sum. Initially path sum is 0, you can see here path sum is 0. Now what I can do is I can check like if root equals to null. If my root is null, then in that case I can simply return 0 because there is no data that we have to sum up. Now I can apply this condition path sum equals to path sum multiplied 10 plus value of that particular root node. So path sum equals to path sum path sum multiplied by 10 plus root value, sorry. Now I can check like if रूट का नॉट ऑफ रूट का लेफ्ट, इफ रूट का लेफ्ट भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, नॉट ऑफ रूट का लेफ्ट एंड नॉट ऑफ रूट का राइट, it means that node is the leaf node. So I can write here in a comment section leaf node condition. लीफ नोड कंडीशन इज उसका लेफ्ट का रूट भी, लेफ्ट वाला भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. इट मींस नॉट ऑफ रूट का लेफ्ट एंड नॉट ऑफ रूट का राइट. इफ दिस कंडीशन मेट्स, in that case I can simply return path sum, and finally I can do a function call, so simply return solve of root का left comma path sum plus solve of, simply solve of root का right comma path sum. Now I have done my function call also. So this was the code. Let's run this and see if this will work or not. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it is working perfect. You can see here it is taking 0 millisecond, better than the 100% of C++ users. So that is the optimized code, because in this code what we are doing is we are just traversing the tree node only one time. So it is the big O of n time complexity solution, and we are not taking another external space, so it will be big O of 1 space complexity. So what we are doing here is we are simply doing this condition path sum equals to path sum multiply 10 plus root value, because I have to create a number. Whatever path I am choosing, I have to create the number by using that path. So you can see here I am choosing this path. So the number will be like 4 to 9, then 9 to 5. So 495 will be the number. So that's why we are doing this multiply 10 activity. Then I'm checking like if that node is the leaf node. If that node is the leaf node, so in that case I can simply return my path sum, and finally I can return सॉल्व ऑफ रूट का लेफ्ट देन राइट, दोनों को सम कर देंगे. दैट विल माई कोड. सो इफ यू फाइंड दिस हेल्पफुल, देन प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. तब तक के लिए बाय.